Hey, what's up guys? I just want to give you a quick review on these Kaiweets precision side cutters and wire strippers here. I got this particular pair because I have other Kaiweets products and I am really happy with them, so I do really like these. The blades on them, I mean, they seem they're really strong as expected. They do a good job at cutting wires. I mean, the strippers on them, it goes from a 10 gauge all the way down to a 20 gauge wire. I mean, like I said, they cut really easy. They're really sharp. I've already cut things with them that I probably shouldn't have, and they stayed sharp, so that's been really cool. The handles on them, I mean, they have a really nice coating, so the ergonomics is really nice. They feel really nice. Like I said, Kaiweets products, I've used them, and I am happy with them, and these live up to that standard of expectation that I have, especially for the price for them. It's really good. The only thing I'll say about these ones, I mean, the handle, it's really easy to use, but I would like to see like a lock, right? So they don't just spring back open. I think it did come with like a Velcro band, so you could keep them closed. I already lost it. You know, maybe if you're a little more organized than me, that would work for you. But, you know, for me, I would like to have a way to just keep these locked and shut when I'm not using them. But other than that, like, I really do believe this is a good product, and I think if, you know, they're really flat on the back, so if you're looking for something that is like a true precision side cutter, where you need something really precise and fine, like I was making LED signs and I needed to just have like really tight spaces and be able to cut really flush, these did a good job at that. So, you know, if you're looking for anything like that, I think this is a good product that you should consider. I'm happy with it and recommend it.